There are more than 15 types of credit cards, but most people only know two or three, and because of that, they choose the wrong one and lose thousands in rewards every year. In the next few minutes, I'll break down all types of credit cards in the simplest way possible, so you can choose the one that actually benefits you. Let's start. What is a credit card? A credit card allows you to borrow money from a bank and repay it later. If you pay the full bill before the due date, you pay zero interest. But if you don't, interest can go as high as 30 to 45% annually. That's why choosing the right card matters. 1 Rewards Credit Card. Rewards credit cards give you points for every rupee you spend. These points can be redeemed for vouchers, flights, or products. For example, cards from HDFC Bank offer lifestyle reward programs. Best for people who spend regularly on shopping and dining. Not ideal if you don't track reward points. 2. Cashback Credit Card. Cashback cards are simple. Instead of points, you get direct money credited back. For example, cards from ICICI Bank offer cashback on online spending. Best for people who want straightforward savings without complicated redemption rules. 3. Travel Credit Card. Travel credit cards offer airline miles, airport lounge access, and travel perks. Banks like Axis Bank provide travel-focused cards. Best for frequent travelers, not useful if you rarely fly. 4. Fuel Credit Card. Fuel credit cards offer cash back or surcharge waiver on petrol and diesel. Best for daily commuters or people who drive regularly. 5. Secured Credit Card. A secured credit card is issued against a fixed deposit. Your credit limit depends on the amount you deposit. Best for beginners or people with low credit scores. It's one of the safest ways to build credit history. 6. Premium or Metal Credit Card. These are high-end cards with luxury benefits like concierge services, golf access, and exclusive airport lounges. For example, premium cards from American Express are known worldwide. Best for high spenders who can justify high annual fees. Avoid if you cannot maximize the benefits. 7. Student Credit Card. Student credit cards are designed for college students. They come with lower limits and basic benefits. Best for building credit history early. 8. Business Credit Card. Business credit cards are meant for company expenses. They help separate personal and business transactions. Ideal for entrepreneurs and business owners. 9. Co-branded Credit Card. Co-branded cards are partnerships between banks and brands. For example, shopping platforms like Amazon partner with banks to offer exclusive rewards. Best for loyal customers of specific brands. Balance Transfer Credit Card. This card allows you to transfer outstanding debt from one card to another with lower interest. Best for people struggling with high-interest debt. Annual Fee Card. These cards don't charge yearly fees. Best for beginners or low spenders. Low Interest Credit Card. These cards offer lower APR compared to regular cards. Best for people who sometimes carry balance. 13. Add-on or Supplementary Card. This card is issued to family members under the primary cardholder's account. The main holder is responsible for payment. Corporate Credit Card. Given by companies to employees for official expenses only. Used strictly for business purposes. Virtual Credit Card. A virtual credit card exists only digitally. It is mainly used for secure online transactions. Best for extra protection while shopping online. Quick comparison. If you want simple savings, choose cashback. If you travel often, choose travel cards. If you're building credit, choose secured cards. If you want luxury perks, choose premium cards. If you run a business, choose business cards. 3 big mistakes people make. Number 1, not paying the full bill. That's how banks earn massive interest. Number 2, choosing a card based on hype, not lifestyle. Number 3, ignoring hidden charges and annual fees. Final verdict. There is no best credit card. There is only the right card for your spending habits. Choose based on your lifestyle, your credit score, and whether the benefits outweigh the cost. Use credit cards smartly, and they can build your financial future. If you use them carelessly, and they can destroy financial future.